Hey everybody, Scott Jansen here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can properly use Skype, Zoom, and also mobile phone for your coaching, your hypnotherapy, your RTT, or even your NLP business. So now you can start to reach clients all over the world. Now, there's one thing we have to understand about growing our business, whether it's health coaching, life coaching, business coaching, could be NLP, RTT, is we have to move away from the model that I must build my business locally. One surefire way, guys, to grow and scale your business completely and also quickly is to understand that most of your clients will live outside of your immediate area, and knowing how to work with those clients over Zoom and Skype is one of the most important evolutions for your business. So instead of taking you through step by step, I'm actually going to give you guys, if you go into the description below, you'll be actually able to download my complete 45-minute training to show you how to set up and use Skype and Zoom for the ultimate session, whether you're in any type of therapy that you're doing, hypnotherapy, RTT, or NLP, or even hypnotherapy in its traditional form. That training program will show exactly how to do it. Now, it's an MP4 audio, I should say, so just go into the description, make sure you download that. This is an old program that we used to teach all of our hypnotherapy students when I used to teach hypnotherapy, and it's one of our most sought after trainings, I guess we could say. And we've shown therapists who have never used Zoom, never used Skype or mobile phone, how to set up and complete the perfect session with absolute ease. So make sure you go in the description, you go check that out, download, that's for yours to keep. Also, guys, as you go check that out, make sure you head over to scottjansen.com.au. So there's the link just below, scottjansen.com.au. And you guys can download my Therapy MAXIMISER Playbook, which is our playbook of how to get high-paying coaching, hypnotherapy, RTT, and NLP clients online for free. That you can use Skype and Zoom to work with. So go check that out, guys. We talk about niching, we talk about pricing, we talk about how you guys can get paying clients online without having to pay for funnels or free challenges, or paying for any social media whatsoever. Go check out that book. This is now as an option to download it for free. This book is normally worth $99.95. You can go over to our website, scottjansen.com.au, download that for free. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the training. Let me know in the comment box if the training was definitely worthwhile listening to, if you picked up a lot from it. Maybe you've never used Zoom or Skype before and you really couldn't find any information of how to use it. That program's going to show you step by step how to get the most out of your sessions. So that's all for me for now, guys. Go check out the book at scottjansen.com.au. Also download that training, enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.